Hello everyone, today I'm here with a very special recipe which is called paya, or it is very well known as goat trotters. A very high collagen dish, so it makes it very healthy too. If you like my videos, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you wish to watch this recipe in Tamil, click the above link. For tempering we need 2 bay leaves, a piece of cinnamon, 3 to 4 cloves and 3 cardamoms. For the curry we need 3 tomatoes and 3 onions along with 5 to 6 cloves of garlic and a piece of ginger. Next I am going to add 2 green chilies. You can adjust this according to your spiciness, and a handful of curry leaves. Along with this we need a cup of curd and a cup of coconut scraped. Along with this I am going to grind half a cup of soaked cashew nuts. For the spices I am going to use a tablespoon of coriander and a tablespoon of chili powder along with a teaspoon of turmeric, and I am using 1 kg of trotters. For roasting and grinding I am going to use 8 red chilies, 3 tablespoons of coriander seeds, a tablespoon of each pepper, cumin and fennel, and 3 to 4 cloves along with a piece of cinnamon and 2 cardamoms. Dry roast this and make it into a powder and set it aside. In your instant pot or your pressure cooker, add about a tablespoon of oil. You don't need much of oil for this, and start adding the tempering items and roast this for exactly a minute, and then we can add the chopped onions. Saute the onions until they are slightly soft. You don't need the onions to be browned, so once they start changing in color, we can start adding the other ingredients to it. Now I'm going to add the crushed ginger and garlic. You can use paste or chopped up too. Saute this until the raw smell leaves, then add the chopped chilies. Again saute it for a minute, and next I am going to add the tomatoes which I have chopped finely. Saute the tomatoes until they are slightly soft. Next I am going to be adding the curry leaves. I have only dried curry leaves, so I am adding it. And this is the ground paste which we roasted earlier, and I am adding that along with the spice powders and salt to taste. Give this a nice mix. Once everything is combined, we are going to add the trotters. I have washed the trotters and drained the water. I am adding it to it. Give it a nice mix so that everything gets combined and the trotters are covered with the masala. I am going to add a little bit of water to deglaze the pot. If you are using your pressure cooker, you don't need to do this. You can skip it and go to the next step. After deglazing the pot, I am adding extra water to just cover the trotters. Give it a nice mix and check for the salt, and cover the instant pot. If you are using a pressure cooker, cover it and cook for exactly 1 hour. I am doing the same thing with my instant pot. I am going to cook this on a high pressure for 1 hour and let the pressure release naturally. Once the pressure pin drops, I am going to open it, and the trotters smell amazing. If the paya is cooked properly, even the bones will be soft and it will be chewable. And the trotters are completely cooked now. Next I am going to add the yogurt which we kept earlier. I'm adding it to the curry and giving it a nice mix. Now I have switched on my instant pot on a saute mode. If you are using your pressure cooker, just switch on the heat back, and after adding the yogurt, bring it to a boil. Once the curry starts boiling, you can add the coconut and cashew paste which we prepared earlier, and boil this curry for at least 5 minutes on a medium heat. Paya is a very aromatic and spicy dish which can be served with idly, dosa or appam, idiyappam as per your wish. That's it. Our beautiful and tasty paya is ready to be served. Adjust the spice level according to your taste buds and enjoy.